Yo, angmohcardealer over here, and this right here is Audi A5 Sportback mild hybrid. One owner only, fantastic condition and super beautifully done up for you. Let's check it out. Have a look at this beauty. Looks super fantastic. This is my favorite design for Audi A5. Comes with a super sexy RS bumper. Comes with a very beautiful carbon fiber bonnet. By the way, all these vents, they are functional. They are not just for show. The headlights look fantastic. Beautiful sport rims. Come with a big brake kit as well. The mirror caps are dry carbon. The roof is beautifully blacked out to match the overall look of this car. And behind as well, just have a look at this sexy backside. Very nice. This is the animation of your taillights. Very beautiful. Also comes with a very nice carbon fiber boot lip spoiler. Dual exhaust exit with Akrapovic tips and also a very nice diffuser. Behind, quite spacious for a rear passenger. We have rear passenger aircon, black color leather in fantastic condition with contrast stitching. And of course, we have frameless windows, one of the signatures for the A5. Now, let's go in. All right, we're inside and this is what it looks like from driver's perspective. Very nice and sporty looking cabin. First things first, we have 3-spoke steering wheel. Super nice to hold. I think Audi are probably one of the best in the game when it comes to steering wheel designs and comfort. Multifunctional with pedal shifters, beautiful digital speedometer cluster, beautiful touchscreen and infotainment. It is super responsive, comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and also comes with this. Check it out. We have 360 camera. Super cool, very high spec, very nice. Of course, when I press forward, I can see the front as well. Let's put it back to park. We have auto hold function here, electric parking brake, traditional gear selector. Very nice, very comfortable to use, especially when you put your elbow here, over here. Very comfy. Your start stop, of course, keyless entry, keyless start. Your cup holders are beautifully illuminated. I really like this. The aircon controls are simple and intuitive, and I really like how they integrated the display within the turning knob. Very nice, very cool. Of course, we have different drive mode selection. Now let's close this. We have different drive mode selection when we press this button. Very nice. Now let's close this as well. This is a volume control knob. And overall, the design is really very nice. The condition of all the trimming is absolutely fantastic. My charm just out of showroom. And I also like how this panel is very slightly tilted towards the driver. Very driver focused car. And of course, frameless mirror, also very beautiful. Right, guys? Have another look. Alright guys, so it's an Audi, so of course it got some other nice features, fully electric seats for driver and passenger, driver's side comes with memory settings as well, and overall the drive, I always tell people I'm an Audi fan and A5 is very nice. On COE we still got 4 years and 8 months left, plenty of time for you to enjoy this beautifully, nicely styled unit. Viewing is available daily in our showroom and you all know what to do. Call me, 𝐬𝐿 give you a good deal.